So another of Jamaica's tourism mecca now, Negril. Hoteliers in the area have been making arrangements to get workers to earn again. Details in this report.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, persons are unable to work after losing everything. Tourism is the mainstay in parishes like Westmoreland. In White House, the Sandals property was severely impacted by the hurricane, and there's no clear reopening date. And while the hotels in the resort town of Negril were spared from Melissa's wrath, the hotels remain closed. Managing Director of Sharella Inn, Daniel Grizzle, says workers continue to feel the impact.
You've been on the West End, right? The West End is really kind of the heart of tourism in Jamaica. It's all these little people. That's where I started first. It's these little people, real Jamaican culture and atmosphere. They have suffered really bad on the West End. Those little places, they need to get help, and the help should not just be in a loan. There need to be a portion of it as a grant. You need a grant and a soft loan.
Owner of Boardwalk Village, Richard Wallace, is calling for support for tourism workers, many of whom live on hotel grounds and depend on daily operations.
We want businesses to reopen, to get the employees back at work and get them engaged, get them earning again. And so, it's mentally, it's very important for that to happen, because with all the devastation that's around, because we have most hotel workers suffered tremendous damage at their homes and so. And for them, sitting at home on top of that is just not good mentally.
A hotel worker told TVJ News the hurricane has caused serious emotional stress.
When I in a house, I mix one corner tree drop on, so I run out and I get one corner. So by me look around back, a tree dropping off in my house and broke it down. So I have to just go, I have one car, so I have to just go in a car, go stay. After I come to work and I work, I go on, so I come back to work. No, I have to just make myself happy because I know it's gone already, so I have to just work with it. I don't try to stress myself. So I build up back, you understand me?
At Rio Hotels and Resorts, General Manager Julia Casas Benito says most buildings are stable, but repairs are ongoing.
We are trying to get all information from our workers to see the level of affected that they are. I mean, if they are homeless or the roof was damaged, all this kind of information we are getting from the workers to try to assist them as best as possible.
As for her staff, she says they are ensuring that everyone is being taken care of.
To try to assist as best as possible, because we really know that the country is in really bad status, so we want to assist as best as possible.
The resort has also joined with the World Central Kitchen to cook for the victims of Hurricane Melissa. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.